Circle the greater number. 18, 20, 15, 17. Circle the smaller number. 8, 7, 10. 5, 1, 3. What comes after? 6, 8, 10. 5, 4, 1, 4, 8, 6. What comes before? 7, 5, 8, 4, 6, 3, 2, 6. What comes in between? 7, 8, 3, 1, 2, 9.